Applying pressure? Applying.
Pressure, applying pressure on these niggas. Pressure, applying pressure on these bitches. Ooh, suck a nigga dick, ho. Fuck being broke, go hit you a lick, bro. Applying pressure on these niggas. Pressure, applying pressure on these bitches. Ooh, suck a nigga dick, ho. Fuck being broke, go hit you a lick, bro. Just bought a new whip, same color marshmallow. Your boyfriend's a bitch, softer than a marshmallow. Stepping on these hoes, feelings in my more jealous. The way I'm flexing make a bodybuilder nigga jealous. Watch these niggas, they be telling third strike, I'm a felon. Can't afford to let them trick me off the streets. I got business, I got kids, I got dreams. I got pistols, choppers, AR-15s. Wanna go to war with me? Fuck them, air the whole scene. But fuck the beef, dog, I only want the cheese. But he can get it if he try to intervene. Apply the pressure, yes sir, apply the pressure. Yeah, that glizzy be my bitch, but the 38 special. Tryna knock me off my square, but I don't let 'em. Got my knee on they neck, and I ain't letting up. Whatever down as a bet, I'm throwing naturals. Run it up, motherfucker, quick to tell a bitch suck it. Never got hit in a foreign, had to scratch it off my bucket. 40 on my lap, run up on me, finger fucker. Lethal weapon, Danny Glover, I'm a cold motherfucker. Ooh. Pressure, applying pressure on these niggas. Pressure, applying pressure on these bitches. Ooh, suck a nigga dick, ho. Fuck being broke, go hit you a lick, bro. Applying pressure on these niggas. Pressure, applying pressure on these bitches. Ooh, suck a nigga dick, ho. Fuck being broke, go hit you a lick, bro.
Molly in my pocket, I got her lit. Wanna flirt, bitch? I'ma fuck you till it hurt, bitch. I can't let no lying nigga trick me off the streets. Bitch, I gotta eat. I'll cross your eye and dot your teeth. From top of the key, Scuba hit a nigga with a 3. No problem with me, really ain't got shit to do with me. You be in your feelings, side of baby out here making cheese. We gon' make them bleed. Every time they think we can't compete, I'm applying pressure. I been hitting bitches on the dresser. She gon' need a stretcher. If she touch the work on my compressor, put you through a test. Whip a clean brick without a mess. Yo bitch wants